Kuqhekezwe ivenkile enye ethengisa utywala eKapa emva kokumiswa kwakhona kokuthengiswa kotywala kweli. Esinye sesizathu sokumiswa kokuthengiswa kotywala kukunika ithuba umongikazi nogqirha bakwazi ukuqubisana nabantu abanentsholongwane yecorona. Ukuthengiswa kotywala bekufaka izempilo kweli phantsi koxinzelelo njengoko bezininzi ingxwelerha bezingena kwizibhedlele zeli ngenxa yotywala. Lombutho woosomashishini bomdiliya omfaxangiweyo uthi khange ulumkiswe ngeli nyathelo.
Despite our shock and dismay at the abrupt decision by government, we will urgently take up our deliberations with them again with renewed energy, specifically the Department of Trade, Industry and Competition, as well as the Department of Agriculture, Land Reform and Rural Development. Just in the course of last week, the wine industry, together with the bigger alcohol industry, initiated contact with government to formalize a social compact between industry, government and civil society. We really hope to continue with this process to find common ground in ways to drive behavioral change regarding the consumption of alcohol without jeopardizing the livelihoods of individuals and businesses in the industry.
Ngurubaphathiswa zentshona koloni elibi naye sixekile kabukhali izigqibo zikarhulumente. Abanye abahlali baseKapa basixhasa isigqibo.
Trauma-related cases, so I'm very pro the ban, but I don't think it's the long-term answer because we can't ban alcohol. I mean, people still have a choice in terms of what it is that they do with their lives. So I think it's also at a constitutional level, it's quite a challenging issue to deal with.
During the time when the president announced the first lockdown of alcohol, we see a big change in the nation, and when it comes back, things changes. So really, the rebanning of alcohol, it's a good decision.
I'm not over the moon about it, but I do understand in the bigger picture the purpose to free up beds for people who really need it. But yeah, it's going to make life a little more boring, a little less exciting for a bit, but it's fine.
Umbutho wezolimo ntshona koloni nawo uvakalise inkxalabo ngabantu abangaphulukana nemisebenzi yabo.